Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before start the video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. In this video, I will show you how to blur any object or part of video in Filmora 13. Every YouTuber use various apps and software to make his video more attractive for his viewers. During making and shoot of videos, some unnecessary parts are also recorded there. It needs to blur or remove from video. In previous version of Wondershare Filmora, blur effects are easy. But in Filmora 13, these are now make in effects category. Let's see how to blur any object or part of video in Filmora 13. Here, open the Filmora 13 and already cut some part of video for editing purpose. Go to Effects category at top. In sidebar, click on Video Effects. In drop-down menu, you see Blur option. Here, all these are blur effects. You have to pick one as per need of your video effect. Square blur, background blur, and many more effects there are. Let's see how it works. Method 1. Pick the effect and make a separate layer effect. See in the video. Once drag to layer, then various effect options shown. Rectangle blur, circle blur, and custom blur. Each have same properties like strength of blur effect, size of blur effects, etc. Rectangle blur effect works in square format or box format to blur some part of video. You can also customize this effect according to your need. Then square box have option of circle blur. It blurs in the form of circle. It is useful for face blur and other round shape objects. In square blur, third option is custom blur. It is very useful. It provides you the option to blur specific part as per the need of your video. Method 2. In this method, we not make new layer but overlap the original layer. Means fit blur effects in original video layer. See in the video. So, the effects option will not show separately. It will also add in video layer, so it will change and use from here in top left corner. Other options like blur shape and size, strength will remain same. You can also your background blur and other effects as per your requirement. Hope you like the video, then post a comment. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.